Dr. Deborah Nucatola, Planned Parenthood's Director of Medical Services, an abortion provider discussing how to collect body parts from aborted fetuses over lunch at a California restaurant.
A series of sting videos that appear to reveal Planned Parenthood negotiating prices for fetal tissue.
And they're talking about wanting to buy Lamborghinis.
I want a Lamborghini.
Then they're talking about how they do it so that they don't ruin the specimens and crushing this part of the baby.
I've been very good at getting parts on liver, basically crush below, I'm going to crush above, and I'm going to see if I can get it intact.
We have independent colleagues who generate a fair amount of income doing this.
The video accusing the group of offering to adjust medical procedures in order to preserve tissue and parts for research groups to purchase. There are calls for the Justice Department to investigate.
If we alter our process and we are able to obtain intact fetal cadavers, it's all just a matter of line items.
The National Abortion Federation sued the group over the videos, and in response, a federal judge called William Orrick imposed a gag order in contravention of the First Amendment and common sense. Is Orrick a fair judge? Can he rule on something like this? The judge has strong personal ties to a Planned Parenthood affiliated clinic and ought to recuse himself.
You bring to light clearly illegal and appalling and immoral behavior by Planned Parenthood, and then you become the target of a criminal investigation.
Attorney General Kamala Harris, who's fundraising on her website off of Planned Parenthood, got a highly political search warrant to conduct a political raid on my home.
His multi-million-dollar punishment for exposing Planned Parenthood with those undercover videos.
Cecile Richards is stepping down from Planned Parenthood. Does this feel like the right time to step away when it feels like everything is mobilizing?
Planned Parenthood is now under federal investigation by the Department of Justice for selling fetal body parts.
2 Orange County medical companies are facing charges of selling fetal tissue illegally.
These 2 medical companies appear to be closed today.
State health investigators have served subpoenas for records at several Planned Parenthood offices in Texas.
A federal appeals court ruled that the state could remove Planned Parenthood from the Medicaid program.
States' efforts to direct Medicaid funding away from abortion facilities that violate the law.
We should take a look at the new videotapes that released those awful women at Planned Parenthood having to swear under oath that they in fact were selling baby body parts.
I knew LA was getting payments because I was a provider there.
University of Pittsburgh, they were taking the scalps of 5-month-old aborted babies and they were grafting them onto lab rats. This study was funded from the NIAID office. Did anybody at Dr. Fauci's office ever ask, how are you getting those whole scalps from the heads without a partial birth abortion?
What is at stake here? You know, we are very concerned about Roe, obviously.